Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Administrator Tutorial. Topics what we are going to cover in this session, that is page layout and mini page layout. Page layout defines how we are representing data to users. Page layout will specify controllers how an object should be displayed in the profile. Page layout controls which fields should be displayed on the UI, in which order they should be displayed, in which format they should be displayed, which button should be displayed, what related lists should be displayed. By default, every object, one default page layout is created. Steps to create page layout in Classic. Page layout for standard object. Setup, build, customize, select object, page layout, new. In create new page layout, choose existing page layout, provide name and click on save button. For example, create page layout of standard object account by the name account layout demo. Steps to create page layout in Classic. Page layout for custom object. Setup, build, create objects, object name, page layouts, new. In create new page layout, choose existing page layout, provide name and click on save button. For example, create page layout for custom object student underscore underscore C by the name student layout demo. Steps to create page layout in Lightning. Page layout for standard object. Setup, platform tool, objects and fields, object manager, select object, page layouts, new. In create new page layout, choose existing page layout, provide name and click on save button. For example, create page layout of standard object contact by the name contact layout demo. Steps to create page layout in Lightning. Page layout for custom object. Setup, platform tool, objects and fields, object manager, select object, page layouts, new. In create new page layout, choose existing page layout, provide name and click on save button. For example, create page layout for payment underscore underscore C by the name payment layout demo. Mini page layout. Quick view of record is mini page layout. A mini page layout contains a subset of the items in an existing page layout. When we keep cursor on a record, pop-up window display quick view of record. If page layout is assigned to a profile, corresponding mini page layout will come. Steps to create mini page layout. Setup, build, create objects, object name, page layout, select page layout, edit. Step 1. On the top of the page, select mini page layout. Step 2. Select the fields and click on save button. For example, create mini page layout for student underscore underscore C. Thank you. So coming back to our practical session, first we need to log in. Our assignment is create page layout on a standard object account by the name account layout demo. For this, first we need to click on setup, build, customize, object, accounts, page layout, click on new button. First we need to choose an existing page layout. Provide the page layout name, account layout demo and click on Save button. Like this we are creating the page layout. If I want to remove some of the things from this account page layout, I can do this one also. Right now what we are seeing, all the fields are coming over here, but for this page layout I want to remove some of the fields like annual revenue, check in, check out. These things I am removing. If you are clicking right now on the preview for EMS system admin, I am going with this one and I am seeing all the fields related to this. Annual revenue is there, check-in is there, checkout is there, and all the fields are coming over here. Now what I am going to do, I am removing this annual revenue, check-in, check-out. These three fields I don't want with this EMS system admin. So what I have to do, simply I have to remove this to this palette and click on quick save. Now again go with preview as EMS system admin. Now see, we are not able to see these three fields. Our next assignment is create page layout for custom object student underscore underscore C by the name student layout demo. What I have to do for this one, while clicking on student object, just see how many fields are there. Student name, date of birth, address, country, state is there. I am going to create one new page layout by clicking on setup, build, create, objects, choose the object student. In the page layout section, click on new, choose the existing page layout student layout and provide the name student layout demo. Click on save. Now we are able to see all the fields are coming over here. If I am going with preview as and EMS system admin, I am able to see all the fields are coming over here. But I don't want to see this country and state for this page layout. So what I have to do, simply I have to drag this field to this palette, country and state. Simply clicking on quick save. Again I am going with preview as EMS system admin. Now I am not able to see this country and state field. Like this we are creating page layout in classic mode. Now our next assignment is create page layout of standard object contact by the name contact layout demo. So this one I have to do in lightning view, lightning experience. So first of all I have to click on switch to lightning experience. Then first on the right hand side I have to click on setup, platform tools, objects and fields. Click on object manager. Choose the object, in our case contact object I have to choose. You can search over here or you can directly type the name here contact. Click on contact, click on page layouts, click new, choose the existing page layout. I am choosing contact layout and here I am providing contact layout demo. Click on save button. So now we are seeing all the fields in contact page layout. So in this, if I am going with preview as and I am going with IMS platform user, I am able to see all the fields in this page layout. But for this page layout, I don't want to see department, date of birth, reports to, and lead source. So what I have to do is simply drag these fields in the above palette and click on quick save. Again, if I am going with IMS platform user, so now I am not able to see the fields what I removed from here. So one more assignment is there. Create page layout for payment underscore underscore C by the name payment layout demo. For this, simply I have to click on setup, platform tools, objects and fields, object manager, choose the object. Here I have to go with payment. Payment one custom object. Click on page layout, new. Choose the existing page layout, payment layout, and here I am going with payment layout demo. Click on save button. So now if I am going with preview with IMS platform user, I am able to see payment name, amount, both the fields I am able to see here. But if I don't want to see this payment name, only I want to see this payment, this amount field. For this, what I have to do, simply I have to drag this field at the above palette and click on quick save. Now if I am clicking on preview as and going for IMS platform user, I am not able to see payment name. So like this we are creating the page layout in Salesforce. In Classic we had seen for standard object as well as custom object. In Lightning also we had seen standard object as well as custom object. Now last assignment is what? We have to create one mini page layout for student underscore underscore C. So for this what I have to do, just simply click on setup, build, create, objects, object name, student, click on student layout edit action on the top, just go with mini page layout. So for mini page layout, what the fields I want to show, that fields I am going to select in the right panel. So I am going with the student name, address. For selecting this one, just press the control button and choose what the fields you want. I am going with the student name, address, age, and date of birth. Click on add button and I am moving this one to up and simply clicking on save button. So now if I am clicking on students, I am seeing that student name Rekha and Aman is there. If I am going with the Rekha, just I am not clicking, only mouse over is there. If I am going with this particular record, see on the right side student name, address, date of birth and age is coming. What we had selected in mini page layout. Thank you.